How to remove payment method from PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove your payment method from PrizePicks. So make sure to follow this video till the very end. So as you can see that I'm in the official article page in the PrizePicks, and here if you'll scroll down at the end of this page you will see this article where the information has been written. So it says that you may not remove payment method or your card until you have been a PrizePicks member for at least 60 days. And after 60 days, you can remove your payment method yourself using the app. Just log into your account and tap on the deposit button. And on the top right corner, once you are on the deposit page, you can see the trash icon, and click on that icon and remove your payment method. And if the trash icon isn't there, that means that you still need to wait for 60 days until that period gets over. You may also only request to remove payment method once in any calendar month. So this is basically how you will be able to remove your card from your PrizePicks account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.